Hi everyone, I'm so happy that I'm able to share my new course about modern web bootcamp so you can design websites with PHP, Sass, CSS GRID and Flex. So I'm gonna summarize what we are going to learn in this course. This course will be super modern and amazing, and by the end of the course you can create one-page website for yourself that it can be portfolio, or if you are professional, maybe you will do one-page website for your company so you can attract more customers and you can grow your connections. So you will be able at the end to be a very successful growth hacker. So what we will learn? We will learn to compile Sass locally. We will use Flexbox and Bootstrap. We will use CSS GRID as well, BM methodology. We will write media queries. We will use transitions and transforms. We will use CSS pseudo-classes. Also, we're gonna use basic animation and we will create them. CSS properties, also known as variables. We will do a background video as well. We will use PHP mailer to send and receive emails, and we need composer for that actually. And also we will do video and object oriented. By the way, we will have a crash course from the beginning, front to back PHP, so anyone that doesn't know what are variables and arrays can check out that part. Also, we will learn about for loops, while and do while, or if anyone needs refreshment, this is a course for those people. So we will use if else switch comparison. We will sanitize and filter the data. We will use session and cookies. We will learn about errors, warning and exceptions. We will create a CRUD application, and we will learn about abstract classes, polymorphism, inheritance, parent-child classes, and much more. Also, what we're going to do is we're going to learn about Flexbox and CSS Grid. So we will create a smooth scrolling. We will justify and align the contents. We will use grid rows, columns, name lines, everything that you need to be a very successful designer. And we will do this with simple projects where you can practice at the end your skills. Now, my promise to you that I will update this course with the new information from all of my other courses. So I will put the intro here. Also, I will update the course with the new content that will include Laravel from the scratch, but that will be in the future, so no time frame will be given. And that's pretty much it. Thanks, and I hope to see you soon. Also, you can check out my website. So our project actually will look like this. We will create a basic animation on reload with Google Colors. We will do smooth scrolling. We will create education part. We will create contact me where we can send emails. We will also do and subscribe to my newsletter, active projects, and also we will do this with CSS Grid. This, by the way, is always visible on different screen sizes. So if we go to About Me, it will go to the About Me section. Experience as well, and you can see the cards are changing the way we increase the screen size. So we will use Wow.js and a couple of other things. So this course will be super amazing for you guys. So please check this out. If you like, then you can join. Also, you can read the descriptions, that I put there, so you will have the idea what this project will cover. Thank you and see you soon.